Great. Right. So you guys have got the IP address. Did anyone try accessing that?
Yes, it is
Which server
working.
are you guys connecting to?
Server
Server
2.
3.
Server 3. Anyone else? Yes, guys. Anyone else? Other server? I am able to connect to. Yeah, I'm also on server 3.
Server 2.
Server 2. Okay.
Server
Others,
2.
guys, are you trying?
Server 2.
Server 2. Okay. So let's terminate the server 3 and then we'll refresh and see that how it works or what exactly it happens, right? So I'll go ahead and I'll log into server 3. This is my server 3. Either I'll shut down the server, that is one method. I can stop the services, that is one method. The other one is I simply just go ahead and stop the uh, internet services on that particular server, or I go ahead and stop the uh, port number 80, whatever. In any manner, if this is not providing service, that will be considered as uh, out of service from the application gateway's point of view. So if I come here and select my this one, this is my server 3, stop the website. Now I have stopped the website. Very first thing, let's go ahead and check directly on this server whether it is working, whether the stop has functioned properly. We won't have this liberty of public IP. Here we have just for the training. Am I able to access the website directly on the this one?
No.
I'm not, right? So let's go ahead and now check this. Here I go. The server 3 I have shut down. I was currently on server 3, so I'll refresh the page and see. I'm getting bad gateway. And the moment I did the next one, what happened? Server 2. Why did I get the bad gateway? It was because of the cache. Sometimes it captures the cache and then I am going again on the same one. And it happens. This is the reason I always tell you that try it on a different browser. So, but the moment I refresh, now it is going on server 2, server 1. Server 1. Anyone someone who is getting this page, this one, bad gateway. Anyone else who's getting the page?
Me. No.
Were you getting server 3 first, or what was the earlier? On which server were you connected?
Server 2. And it got bad here.
Okay. Now, but look at this. I'll check that. Why is it happening? It must be due to cache. But concept wise, is it clear to everyone how the application gateway works? What is it? Any doubts? Any questions, guys?
No.
Okay. I think, see, now it is not going there to bad gateway. So now it will route your traffic on server 1, server 2. I hope guys are able to see it here. Right? Now, if you guys try, all the traffic will be distributed to server 1 and server 2. It understood clearly that server 3 is no longer in use. Okay, so now let's go ahead and turn on the server. Server was actually on, just turn on the service. Be it server shutdown or anything, for application gateway, it is out of use. So now when I start it, we'll wait for some time and we'll again refresh and see if we are able to connect to server 3 as well. While we are waiting for this, guys, any doubts, any questions, anyone? Yes, no, maybe slightest doubt. Okay, if you guys don't have
Sanjay,
any,
do we
yeah.
need
Yes, tell me.
this public IP on backend servers? Do we
No, no,
require
no, no, no,
public IP
definitely
on
not.
this backend
No,
servers
no,
every
forget
time?
required. We'll strictly not have it. Why do we have it now? Because I want to take remote. I want to show it to you guys, and uh, I want to host this website. And is there any way I can connect to this server using private IP?
No.
Uh,
No, right?
No.
Yes, yes.
No,
In
me.
application gateway, we can.
No, no. Before the application gateway, I want to
No, no, no,
host the website. Right?
no.
As in this scenario, I am not able to do it. But in production, why will you be able to do it? Why do you think you'll be able to do it in production environment?
Because there we have access to the
Access to?
network, private network.
Yes, using which service? What setup will be there, which will allow you to take a remote using
VPN.
private IP? Yes, either VPN will be there, express route will be there. Somehow your data center will be connected to your Azure. So you can sit on your laptop on a private IP. You'll be able to take RDP on a private IP. You'll be able to set up the website. You as in whoever is doing it, maybe a developer is doing it, right? He will be able to take this and everything. He'll be able to do it. Hence, in actual environment, you will never see a public IP. Why do I need public IP here? Because I will be able to show it to you guys, right? I should be able to show it to you guys कि मैंने यहाँ पर stop किया, then it is changing there. Now I started, and now if I go after maybe 2 3 refresh, I should see server 3 also. This is what I just wanted to show you. Hence I require public IP. Look at this, I'm again on
I'm
server 3.
connected to 3.
Got it, guys? Clear to everyone? Okay, now let's quickly learn about uh, this one, end-to-end encryption, and this one, TLS termination. What is TLS termination and what is end-to-end encryption? Anyone has any slightest idea what is it? Any basic idea what are we talking about, or what is encryption? Encryption, I think I have already explained, right? So can anyone quickly
Uh,
explain what is encryption?
like a TLS in encryption, like a TLS is a transport layer security, and SSL is a secure circuit layer. It is used to secure the data between client and server, I
Perfect. Yes.
guess.
Do you guys remember I explained key and lock, that you're sending something, even if maybe a hacker gets access to your data, it's not useful for him. Why? Because it is locked at your end and it will only be unlocked at the server end. That is your end-to-end encryption. It is as good as that. That is your TLS encryption, right? Similarly, here, this website, is it secure or not secure? The one which I'm accessing
That's
now, this one.
Not
It's
secure.
not secure.
And how do you know that?
it is
Clearly
written over
mentioned
there,
that.
It is
not
written here,
secure.
right? It is written here. What does it say? Your connection of this site is not secure. You should not enter any sensitive information. It is not secure. To make it secure, what do I need?
We need a
Certificate.
certificate.
Certificates.
Simple, a certificate, right? Now, look at this. This website I can access in insecure manner as well. Let me open HDFC Bank. I didn't type HTTPS here while typing HT. By the way, HTTP, it's the protocol. 80 is the port number for unsecure website. Now we are accessing it on which port? 80. By default, it is going on 80, right? And I haven't typed HTTP or HTTPS anything. And here, the moment I typed hdfc.com, right, it took me to a website. Is it secure or unsecure?
Secret.
How do you know
Secure.
that?
Secure.
It is written there
TTPS.
HTTPS.
Yes. First thing,
HTTPS.
HTTPS. Second, here if I click, I'll be able to see the certificate here. Connection is secure and certificate is valid. This is the certificate. Got it? This is secure. Now, if I remove it, HTTP, and I want to access HDFC in insecure manner. Let's see if I'm able to do it. Am I connected on 80 or 443?
443.
But I removed HTTPS, right? It is forcing me to
But
go to 443. Even if I removed it, even if I type HTTP or anything, any secure site will force me to do it. Will take me to the secure side. The side which has certificate, it will take me. Is this point clear till here?
Yes.
Okay, now
Yes.
let's go. We'll see. Why did I show this to you? That how can we achieve this in application gateway? So when I do over there, you should know that what is the impact of it. Second thing, now let's go to this one. Simple very. This is website. I go here. I click on binding. It is binding on. Binding is done on which port?
80.
On port
Port
80.
number 80. If I want to make it secure, what do I have to do? Click on edit. This can be done in Linux. This can be done in every operating system. I am showing it on Windows just for your guys understanding. So when you see some pictures, it will be easier. In Linux, you will just see black and white commands. You won't understand anything. Plus, do you think it's your job to have a certificate to install the website? Do you think this is your job at the OS level? Definitely not. But I'm showing it to you, so you should have some idea. So if I want to make this website as a secure one, I'll have to click here and make this IP and make this port as 443, right? And I'll have to complete the binding. This is one thing here, HTTP. But the moment I do that, I won't be able to do it, unfortunately. I did try in the morning, it didn't work. The moment I go to 443, what is the requirement, guys? Why am I not able to do it now? The moment I say
We don't
certificate,
have
yes,
this
here
SSL
it is.
certificate.
SSL certificate.
Yeah.
I need to have a certificate where I'll select here and I'll upload that certificate. I did show you the certificate in point to site VPN. Do you remember that?
Yes.
Yeah, similarly, we can have a self-signed certificate, but I was not able to generate it. It was taking long time or something. I'll try to get it next time, maybe if time permits. But understand the concept here. So I'll go here, I'll select the certificate, and then my website will be secure. It will be on HTTPS, port number 443. Is this point clear till here? That how do I make my website secure at the OS level? Till now, we haven't discussed anything at application gateway. Is it clear? और at OS level कोई site secure कैसी होती है और कोई without insecure site कैसी है? Just this
Yes.
port
Yes.
makes everything. It is on 80. It is insecure. The moment you go for HTTPS, it is secure. But you required your certificate. That certificate should be of my domain name. It's not like everyone can use everyone's certificate. No, if I have UT-Kloud.in, it should have UT-Kloud.in certificate. I already have for my UT-Kloud, but it is there on my website. I wanted to have some dummy website here and dummy certificate, which didn't work. Okay? I'll have to upload that certificate here, and then only my website will be secure. Now, let's say that this website, now I have updated the certificate here, right? And this is my website. And now I'm trying to browser. I'm not talking about application gateway till now. Forget application gateway. And I'm coming here and I'm typing HTTPS / 15 sorry / 115. Now if I hit enter and if it connects, is it secure website or not? If it connects,
Yes, it
Secure.
is.
secure.
it is yes.
Yeah.
But now when I connect, it won't allow me to access the website. Why?
We don't have certificates.
Yeah, forget certificate because the moment I typed HTTPS, I'm trying to access this website on port number 443. In actually, where is my website hosted? On which port?
On
80.
port 80.
80. So if I go here and just remove this S, then it should work. Here it is. This is working. Understood the difference again? Now let's imagine I managed a certificate here and I'm able to access this on a secure side and I see a certificate here, right? Like my actual website. I see a certificate here. I see HTTPS and this is fine. Now, is it encrypted traffic end to end? As per your understanding, what do you think? Is it encrypted traffic?
Yes.
It is,
Yes.
right? Now, I got plenty of servers like this. And now I'm thinking I should have application gateway in between. Now, my server had a certificate, right? Client were connected directly. I was happy with it. Now I have my application gateway in between. So the traffic from user, it is coming till here, right? Ignore all this, whatever is written here. It is coming till here and it is coming till here. In our current application gateway, remember, focus on the question. In our current application gateway, what is this traffic? Is it encrypted or it is not? In our current application gateway, you have seen me creating that.
Not end-to-end encryption.
Yes, it is not encrypted. Forget end-to-end, कोई भी encryption नहीं है वहां पर. How do you know that? I went to application gateway and which port did we use?
80.
Port 80.
Port 80.
80.
Right. Now I want to use encryption. So what can I do? I have certificate here. एक बार certificate मिल गया, वो certificate हर जगह use होता है. So if I have the certificate, there are two methods or two approaches. One, I will have the certificate on my server. This is one place, and I will have certificate here on the application gateway. How? I will show it to you. How part will do. Right? So here, this is called end-to-end encryption. That traffic is coming from here and it is there on my load balancer also. And when traffic is coming from here, it is going to my web server. This is completely encrypted because I have uploaded certificate here also and I have uploaded certificate here also. That is your end-to-end encryption. You can ignore this word, whatever is written here. It is end-to-end encryption. From first point till end point, your traffic is encrypted, right? There is another method. Now understand, guys, if I give you an example of this, maybe very lame example, but the point here is to make you understand. You have a flat, right? And you are waiting for an order. You are in a meeting, you have ordered something, food, and you're just waiting for your delivery guy to come and deliver it to you quickly and just leave, right? But your society doesn't have any watchman or any security guard, nothing. Your delivery guy has come to your house directly from here. It has come directly. Maybe there is a watchman, it didn't check anything, just send it. Okay, which flat number you wanted to go here? Send it. Now the security, the delivery guy comes to your house at your door. He says, first thing, he'll ask where is parking. Right? Second thing, he will remove his bag, pull out your parcel. He will ask you, is this the correct flat number? So many details, right? He will check all these details. It is time consuming. You wanted to get that done quickly. It is coming directly to you. You have too many tasks to complete before you do the actual transaction of collecting your order. Right? You wanted to sign something. Right? So it is taking a lot of time. Now imagine the same situation, this load balancer, this is your house or office, whatever. This is your load balancer, and there you have a security guard. To this security guard, you have given complete details that I'm expecting a package. Whichever package comes, please check the ID card of the guy, delivery guy. Please inform him, yes, this is the correct company. Please inform him, yes, I work here. And this is one-time password or whatever he wants to ask. Here it is. And check everything. Let him bring the my package. Don't let him come with 10, 50 packages, right? Ask him to keep the bag over there. Just ask him to come to my house, guide him where is my house, and let him deliver. Now this has happened everything here, right? OTP and everything I've already shared. I've already asked my watchman कि यार वो आधार कार्ड वगैरह मांगेगा, आप अपना बता देना, जो कुछ साइन वगैरह है रिसीव वगैरह कर देना, right? And let the traffic come here, or let the delivery guy come here. Which transaction is quicker? First one or second one?
Second one.
Simply second one. So
Second one.
exactly same. This is the reason we have this TLS termination. You may ask कि यार जब directly server पे यहाँ पर certificate है और सब कुछ चल रहा है, why do I have such thing called TLS termination? How part we are going to do it, don't worry. कैसे करना है वो मैं बताता हूँ आपको. We will not be able to do it end to end because we don't have certificate, but I'll show you the options. Okay? But now do you understand that why do we have TLS termination? So your actual server won't have all unnecessary tasks to decrypt the traffic, check the source, etc. Everything is being done at your application gateway. This is core feature of application gateway which your load balancer doesn't have. Right? So TLS termination, it is here. And if you want end-to-end plus some speed, right? Then yes, this is what you can do. Here, what will happen? यहाँ पर ये सब होगा, but in this case, understand, in TLS termination, यहाँ से यहाँ पर ये traffic saved है. It is encrypted, it is secure. But from your application gateway to your server, is it secure? यहाँ पर ये सब check हो चुका है, right? But what after this, till your door, is it secure?
No.
No.
It is not. Hence it is called TLS termination. And when you have certificate here and certificate here at the both end, it is called end-to-end encryption. End-to-end encryption will still be faster. Why? Because most of the task will be done here. Outbound का traffic जो है यहाँ पर आ जाएगा, offload हो जाएगा. You are coming from outside. There will be a certificate with you. There will be encryption. The traffic will come here. यहाँ पर सब कुछ checking वगैरह सब कुछ हो जाएगा. Right? Again understand, यहाँ पर सब कुछ हो जाएगा. It will offload the certificate and here there will be a new certificate, new encryption जो यहाँ पर send किया जाएगा. It is as good as you are giving a temporary ID card to that delivery boy. So you again know someone who's coming to your door, he is the genuine person. But you don't have to do all this task again. This is called end-to-end encryption. कि encryption यहाँ पर भी है, encryption यहाँ पर भी है, but major task has been offloaded here, and it is when it is coming to you, it is again a secure transaction. That is your end-to-end encryption, and this is your TLS termination. Now, it is not at all your job to decide which application will work on TLS termination, which will work on end-to-end encryption, nature of application, none of your business, not at all. As an Azure administrator, you don't have to worry at all. What you have to worry, how to configure this. In interview, how to explain the differences. That's it. So is the theory part clear, guys, to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Now let's go to the portal and check. So I already created one application gateway. I mean, we were there on that page. Hope it is there. Yeah, here it is. So basic and everything सब कुछ same रहेगा यहाँ तक, ठीक है? Now, the moment I tell you that I want TLS termination, right? What does it mean? TLS termination means here you will have HTTPS. I won't be able to click next, obviously, right? But here you will upload your certificate. Now I don't have a certificate, will not be able to do it. So I will not be able to upload any certificate here, but this is your TLS termination when you upload a certificate here. You have achieved the encryption till your application gateway, from main traffic till application gateway. Is this point clear, guys?
Yes.
One more option I wanted to show you. Yes. Now you have done this. Fine. HDFC Bank, the one which I showed you, or for that matter, my actual website also. If I go ahead and remove HTTPS, see, I'm removing S and I'm typing without S. Again, I'm going for a secure site. I didn't want to go for the secure site as a user, just wanted to, maybe as a hacker or as a user, I just wanted to explore that, can I go for the insecure site? But it is not allowing me to go. When I have certificate, it is not allowing me to go. Why? Let's see that how it works. Though this is not hosted on application gateway. Okay? But how to achieve this option on application gateway, that we are going to learn. So under where is it? Is it under backend? Yes. Is it clear till here, guys? If it is insecure website, simply HTTP, right? Here HTTPS. The moment you do HTTPS, it will become 443. Okay, here you'll upload your certificate, basic details, everything. Now, how to redirect? You go to backend pool, you'll select the same. By the way, backend settings, is this correct health probe? If I'm hosting my everything, is my secure website, is this correct health probe?
No,
No.
Why not?
because we have selected
We
the
have to get
HTTP.
HTTP.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
my
we have to
website
select
I'm planning
443.
to host on 443, right? Hence, it
Yes.
should go on 443. But the moment I do on 443, what will it be? It will be a certificate. Now this
Certificate.
is your, the moment I upload your certificate, this is your end-to-end encryption. This is, I can have HTTP here, right? Are you guys getting it? Don't get confused. See, one thing I'm saying, let me go back to that image. Let the traffic come here. Let everything happen here. Let that delivery guy come here. और उसके बाद fine, ठीक है, don't give any ID card वगैरह. Let it come directly. This is TLS termination. So in TLS termination, do we require any any encryption here in this area?
No,
So if I
no,
don't
no, no.
require any encryption in this area, what will be the port on the server?
80.
80.
So if I keep it 80 here, it is going to work. But my on my server, website should be hosted on 80, which is in our case, right? So this is your TLS termination. But you want end-to-end encryption. So over there, you got a certificate on the application gateway, and here you are going to have a certificate which will communicate with your server. And obviously, your server should have one certificate. Right? Now you don't have to worry that which certificate to put where. इतना सब कुछ आप पर नहीं आता है. You will have a team जो certificate request करता है. You will always have a team. So don't worry about the actual working. Understand the concept, understand to explain it in your interview. Getting it, guys? So here you will
Yes.
come and you will select it. This is your end-to-end encryption. Again, we are left with the point where we started. As of now, let me go with this one. Close it. Uh, I wanted to show you the redirection. That if someone is trying to access my website in an unsecured manner, how should it again go in secure manner? So can you see here? I'll select my backend pool. Let's say that this is a not end-to-end encryption. This is our SSL termination or TLS termination. Same thing, guys. Okay, you can go ahead and read about SSL and TLS. TLS is the latest version, so don't get confused if someone is asking SSL termination or TLS termination. Both are same thing. This is my TLS termination setup. So TLS termination setup, it will be 80 here. Fine. Add it. Here is the point. Redirection. Do I want permanent? Yes. Permanent redirection should be there. What should I redirect? A listener or to an external side? So listener, I'll have to create. Okay, we didn't create one. Let me check that. HTTPS priority 20. I haven't created any target listener. Let's create one. Will not be able to do it because we do not have the certificate. Otherwise, I wanted to select over there uh, with HTTPS, and then it should appear here. Okay. So if we had a certificate, we'll create one with HTTPS, and then it will come for us, and we'll go here and we'll select the listener and we'll select the redirection. I'll try to get a certificate and I'll try to show this as a complete practical to you guys. But by the way, this is path based. If you want to, let's come to this in 5 minutes. Closed it. Are you guys getting the concept? I understand without seeing the practical, it is difficult sometimes, but I hope you guys are getting the concept now. You don't have to worry. You don't have to do all these steps. No one is going to ask you this in your interview. That's not happening. Don't worry about it. You should be able to understand the difference between TLS termination or SSL termination and end-to-end encryption. You should be able to talk about the differences between load balancer and application gateway, and obviously front door, and usko bhi ek bar pad lena. Okay? But if you have good hands-on on two of them, it should be at least a good You'd say you'll have better idea of this, right? Why am I not getting back? Okay, let's like this one. No, not getting that. Right, guys. So is it clear till here to everyone? Any doubts, any questions till here?
No.
I have a question.
Yes.
Mm, suppose if you have a multiple sites hosted on the application gateway.
Hmm.
So if a certificate has expired, then we have to upload that certificate on one by one sites or
Not actually, you use a wildcard. Here's the option multi-site and wildcard. Wildcard will work, and if these are different domains. Wildcard, what does it mean? Let me explain it to you. Let's say that I have three sites.
no, no,
Uh,
I'm not talking. I'm not talking. I'm talking about wildcard. Talking about a multi-site. Means in one application gateway have a multiple sites.
yes.
Like we are hosted and certificate has expired. Mm, so after uploading the certificate, so we need to upload on one by one sites or we need to upload on a particular one certificate on a one site level like this.
I'll again explain that. See, if I have mail.utcloud.in, this is one side,
Yes.
right? Then I go courses.utcloud.in. Okay, if there is any spelling mistake, ignore it. This is second side. Okay. I can have lab.utcloud. In this case, wildcard will work. Only one wildcard will work for all of them. You will have a certificate,
Okay.
something like this, star.utcloud.in. This is called wildcard. What you are saying, let's say there are two different applications. Normally, in one application gateway, you won't see two different application unless there's some budget issue with company. It's not an advisable idea. But if you have this, yes, then you will have to upload certificate separately using some multi-card. That too in production environment, you don't actually go and upload certificates manually. That's not at all a secure idea. You will never go ahead and upload certificate here directly. What service can we use, guys, to upload the certificate in a secure manner? Can anyone tell me? We have read about this service. What service can I use uh, to upload my certificates in a secure manner? Yes,
Key
anyone?
vault.
Yes, it's already there. Yeah. We can use Key Vault. Through the Key Vault, we'll upload our certificates, and once we are in Key Vault will have a feature. You can put reminders, your certificates when it is expiring. It will upload the automatically. You won't even have to come to your application gateway to replace the certificate. You'll have to go to your Key Vault and replace the certificate over there, not in the application gateway actually. I don't want to make it more complicated, hence I'm not showing that end-to-end practical, right? But this is how you will do it. You won't upload a certificate. Uploading a certificate here, it's very risky. If someone gets access to this, it will be very risky for you. Certificate will have n number of things of your website and database and everything. So no one will do that. We'll always use Key Vault. Via Key Vault, certificate will be here. And when you have to change your certificate, go and change it in your Key Vault, not in the application gateway directly. In Key Vault, we have some features which we can put alerts. We can have auto renew. I'm not sure exactly now auto renew is there or not. I'll have to check. But we have to deal with Key Vault. With some script and everything, we can achieve auto renew also. Does that answer your question, Ajit?
Yes.
Okay, guys. Any other questions? Any other doubt? We have 3 or 4 minutes left in this session. See, looking at the practical of this, it's not that essential. That's what I feel. But still, if time permits, maybe in future session, I'll prepare the complete infrastructure with certificate and everything, and then I'll just show you application gateway setting. I understand today we are not able to do this completely, but it's not that essential. Okay? So you don't have to worry about it. Yes. Any other doubts, guys? Any other questions? By the way, look at this. If you want to put multiple paths, do you remember we read about it that it has path-based routing? So this is how you can do the routing. That if someone is coming with this particular URL, then it should be routed to here. It should be routed to my maybe image servers. Right? Then obviously I will require something in backend. As of now, I don't have any backend for image servers, but this is how you can. I will require a different pool also. Right? So if someone is coming with this URL, this is where my uh, traffic should go. If someone is coming with my video URL, my traffic should go. And again, I will change my backend pool. I'll create one backend pool for video servers. This is how we achieve path-based routing.
Yeah, target name means web server name or
No,
something different.
URL. Someone who's typing the target as in you as a user. What are you going to type? Here, if I'm going to type utk dot images, if someone types like this, then it should go over there.
Okay.
Though I don't have any images page, but these websites which are planning, they will have a dedicated page like this. So if someone is typing like this, then it should go particularly on these servers. In this case, I have only one backend, only three servers. But in actual environment, actual application, you'll have hundreds of servers, multiple servers, different for videos, different for images, etc., etc. So this is how you can achieve path-based routing. Okay, guys, any questions, any doubt, anyone?
No, we will work on this, and after that we
So
will
I'll
see
upload
how
some
we.
questions related to load balancer, application gateway. Uh, I'll give you some task also. I may ask you to put some VMSA, some availability set machines in backend, and I'll try to write some task, a complex one. Let's see how it goes. Fine, then let's see you guys next week. Next week we are going to start our storage segment. Past will come to that later. We'll cover our storage segment first. Okay. So we are done with networking segment. Anyone has any doubts, any questions, do let me know. Few things here and there we have left, I know, but we can't cover everything. You won't be able to recall everything, right? So go through and read about database a little bit at least. Not a part of Azure, but at least read about this one at least. Azure starts from here. From here, this is not Azure. Just for your information, if you want to read it, read it. Okay. See you guys next week. I'm stopping the session now. Thank you all.